Flip it over.
Let's get things started by having a little fun with some baking soda and vinegar. So to set up this first Easter prank, obviously you'll need some baking soda and vinegar, along with a large plastic Easter egg, such as this red one right here. A small plastic cup will also be needed, and a spoon. Begin by popping open the egg. On the upper half of the egg, glue the plastic cup inside. Just apply some glue on the bottom of the cup and push it inside. Once it dries up, you can use the spoon to fill in the gaps between the egg and the cup with some baking soda. Whatever you do, try not to get any baking soda inside the cup. About this amount of baking soda will work. To add color to this prank, pour a bit of food coloring inside the cup. Here I'm using red food coloring. Now we can fill in the rest of the cup with some vinegar. Again, be careful with it, try not to mix the contents just yet. Once it looks like this, we can pop on the other half of the egg. Get creative when you hide this egg for your victim. I myself will nest it on this can of Pringles. At this point, you probably already noticed that the egg is upside down. Well, that is the whole point, because when our egg hunter finds this booby-trapped egg, they'll be in for a big mess. As soon as the egg is flipped over, the contents will mix and the effect will take place, causing a mess that your victim didn't expect. And yeah guys, even though that was a significant mess, how about we go a little bit more extreme with this prank and grab an even bigger egg with an even bigger cup, and of course we will add way more baking soda inside, as well as a whole lot of vinegar. Once booby-trapped, the egg will look so appealing, so whoever finds it and flips it over will get a surprise of a lifetime. A giant spill that of course they'll have to clean up. I must advise though guys, please prank with caution and make sure that you get someone who can actually take a joke and not get upset over this.